Yo guys, what's going on? Thank you for checking out the video. Today we are back on the trusty CRF250L. It is finally getting a bit warmer here in Philly. It's like 60 degrees here today. It has not been very warm, but today is a lot nicer, so figured why not go out and get a ride in on the CRF. So that is exactly what we're going to do. Guys, it reeks of weed in this city, and I would say, I'm like, oh, it's 420, like that's why, but to be honest, it smells like literally any other day does here in Philly. You got a guy in the middle of the street selling goldfish or beta fish. Let's hit the first wheel ski of the day. A little sideways, but I'll take it. For real, why do I always ride in rush hour traffic? I seriously don't get why. Like, this is terrible. Yeah guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed because I just like want to find a spot that's like long and straight where there's no one around, just so I can practice my wheelies and get better. But like, it's so hard to find around the city, or at least like from what I know. I'm sure there's actually spots, I just haven't found them yet. I don't know. If anyone has any recommendations, please let me know, because I feel like that's the only way I'm gonna feel comfortable enough to push myself. I'm really not gonna push myself that hard on the street, because I'm really not trying to dump my bike or loop into a car or something. Jeez, oh man, way too much traffic to do anything right now. Guess we can still do wheelies, right? I'm actually so annoyed right now. I guess I will never learn, but like, dude, I can't stand the traffic. But it's like, what else do I ride? I freaking work all day. Guess I'll just have to make this my job. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys, so I can make this my job full time. I'll bring you wheelies like this. See? If you subscribe, there's more of that. So make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It feels so cringe saying that, but it does help. Helps the algorithm. Should I try it? I also don't want to mess up the grass they got going on there. Woo! Dude, those pops sound so gnarly. Just strolling through the neighborhood. La la la. Oh yeah, we got the ball players out. Sheesh. Oh, they want a wheelie. I'll give it to them. Wheelie granted. Dude, look at this goose. Hello, Mr. Goose. He was not afraid, honestly. I'm about to throw this GoPro in the river. Like, it just keeps freezing and shutting off. It's literally so frustrating. And it misses good stuff that I'm getting. So it's just so damn annoying. Gotta make up for it, though. That doesn't make up for it. See, my issue is anytime I go to turn it off, it's like more susceptible to doing the freeze thing. So it's just like so damn frustrating. So like, if I want to record like short clips, there's a good chance that it'll freeze. So like, I'll press the off button to stop, like, and it just doesn't stop, or it just like freezes. It's so frustrating. So now every time it does that, I have to take out the battery and restart it, and it's just so frustrating because I've got to take it out of the housing, off my helmet, all that crap.
As long as I'm with you.
Give it another go. enabled. See how fast we can go on eco mode. Get a good push start. 11, 12, 14, 13, 14, 15. Guys, this is how I'd sound if I was on a Sur-Ron. Just the chain noise. Well, that doesn't sound healthy. Should probably check that out, huh? That doesn't sound good at all. And we'll send it now. Well guys, those cell phone videos look honestly shitty on the phone, but you know, that's just how today's going. But I've got 1%. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I will catch you next time. Peace, but let's finish it off with a wheelie at least.